Okay, so we finally got the ZZP CV Axle. I'm gonna go ahead and fix, or at least hopefully put this on. It's an upgraded version of it, so take the OEM one off. My boot was slipping, so hopefully I don't have that with this, and it'll fit in real good, and we don't have to worry. So yeah, that's what we'll be doing today. We're gonna go ahead and take off the tires for both sides, and then take off the axle nut, and then go from there. So it's gonna be a process. Give me something to sit on. All right, so let's see. We gonna have to take this axle nut off. Should be fairly easy enough. And I'm gonna take the strut bolts off. That should lower this so that I can then get to the CV joint in here. And I've already, as the couple last videos, I've already kind of messed with it a couple times, and the ring, kind of see it's silver. It's kind of hard to see, I know, but it's still on there, so we should be okay. I just see that right here. Looks like it was banging the heck out of this. I just see this right here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it was hitting something. But it should be good. They sway links. Godspeed sway links. But okay, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm gonna start off, I guess, removing this, and yeah, we'll go from there. Hopefully I don't have to worry about the control arm, and it looks good. It's not moving, so it still seems solid. All right. When in doubt, check out another video. So it's the same video technically, but just want to make sure I follow the process. Yeah, it looks like axle nut first, so that's what we're gonna do. All right, we'll grab the 32. I'm gonna smack that. Actually, before I do that, I'll probably go put some rust blaster on it, and let's put both of this on it. Let us do his thing. Just a little bit should be fine. Borrowing my brother's Milwaukee Chuggas. See what we're working with here. Look at that. Came right off. All right. So now should be 18s. Got the new tinier V12 from Harbor Freight. Not too bad. It's snugly fit on there, but see how it does. Too bad. A little loose, but it did its job. It did its job. Get these bad boys out. There we go. Okay, so I should be able to drop this. This should be good here. All right. Gonna have to get there it is right here. So got it out. There it goes. And easy enough. It is still on. So, I got the jack. Trying to put it right under it. It's that brake line though, tripping me out. Now it's a lot of weight on stuff that probably shouldn't be bending like this, but it's okay. I just need to get it out. So let's go ahead and do it quickly. And probably should have removed this, but it's okay.
Oh shit! Run!
Dang, that's my fault. Totally forgot about that. The reason for this is you need the oil pan so that you can try to measure how much fluid is coming out. The good thing is, even though it's dark, I can still see some red tint, which is good. So, okay. Well, continue on. Do it. All right. CV axle. The butt head is out. So, this thing right here kept coming off on me. Looked like once I redid it, it was good, but I am it's time to replace it. Kind of, honestly, it looks like it's a little not as sharp as it should be, but it's okay. All right, well, I think it's time for the new one. Let's not do that. Get it down a little bit lower. So it is in. So now I just gotta hit it. There it goes. Belt to go in. I'm gonna go back under there and just double check. Yeah. Yep. Shit's hot. I just drove here. clean under here while I'm here. Oh. Looks good. Putting the strut bolts back in. I got the axle nut. I got to torque it down. I'm just gonna get it to where it's friend for now. I'll go back and torque it. So it is on there and looking good. Okay, so the next step is to make sure I refill the transmission fluid. So make sure I put this back. I'll go grab a torque wrench and that's it. So new ZZP axle is on. So that's a W. The axle nut, I have to put it at 111. Then I need to get a breaker bar, relieve it about 45 degrees, and then torque it the final remaining torque spec. So I double checked this like a couple times, so hopefully just make sure this is good. Looking for the click. There it is. First one is good. So then now what we'll do is back it off and then re-torque it down for the remaining bit. Alright, so now that I loosened it, go ahead and torque it for 184 foot-pounds. Here it goes. Alright, got that. Let's see. Alright, so I need to torque these to 66 foot-pounds. Let's see if I can get this. Let's do a little bit more. There it goes, 66. Come on. It's being a pain in the butt. $66. Let's go back and do the top one. Good. $66. That's good. Now I gotta do the big axle nut now. I'm gonna go ahead and just finish draining this, let it kind of fill out, thread it back in, and then fill it up from whatever was inside of here. And I know I spilled some on the floor, cleaned it up, and we'll go from there. But everything is on. The axle is good. Looking good, looking good. And I did the other side as well. So it's on. So I'm just go ahead and clean it up a little bit, but I'm just gonna go ahead and finish taking this out. And there it goes. Ooh, there it goes. Yeah, probably time. All right, go ahead and finish this. Okay, we got it drained out. It's about almost 4. I'll put it kind of level. You kind of see it. It's like there, but I'd imagine the difference is probably what fell on the ground. So I think we'll go ahead and just top it up with 4 quarts. So I got the Dextron 6 for the GMs. So this is what we're going to use, and it honestly looks exactly like the amount that I would be needing. So I think we'll go from there and just add a little bit more, and then we'll put everything else on. Just put it from the feel up top. Just got to take that little cap off right there, and we're good. I took the feel cap off. Now I'm going to put this down there. I can reach it. And then I guess I'll put another funnel on it. So with that one, pour this in. Should be good. I'll go ahead and finish pouring these in. I'll pour just a little bit more. I'll probably pour some of this quart into here, measure it out, and then drop it in here. So it should be a total of 4 quarts. I think it was 4.2. I'll double check it, and whatever I'm missing, I'll definitely fill the difference. But I was just going by what was in that jug over there that we took out. So I just want to make sure I put what I took out, put back in. Okay, that should be it, guys. Thank you. If you made it this far in the video, I appreciate you. Give me a like and subscribe, and I have the new 2013 Raleigh Sport Cruze that I'm working on, so I don't know how much work I'll do to it. I think I'm probably gonna, I might end up buying the spacer, the catch can, so like that if I do sell it, and basically flip it, get some money. The next person doesn't have to worry about the gaskets messing up and positive crank ventilation issues. So, but we'll go from there. Thanks, y'all.